start this video off by doing a little unboxing of my weekly purchases. It's car related, I promise. Got this from a guy on Facebook that was offering it up. I think he said he made these. Oh, wow. Planning to put these on the back hatch of my SMX. So nice, and this is good quality, this big. That's excellent. On to the next. We'll make this quick because I know y'all are here for the car meet content. But if I get a package from Japan, I want y'all to see it too. I ordered this from Japan on eBay and it got here in like 2 days. I think you can tell what it is now. The Japanese got this white color PS2. I found out about it and I thought it was really cool. So I really wanted one and I got it. Just to preface this video, every third Saturday of the month, we have a local cars and coffee car meet, and it's awesome. And I like to go and see what they got. So on to the car video. Just got to my favorite cars and coffee, North Carolina. Stay tuned for a car montage.
Now, back to our regular scheduled program.